Hey guys, in today's video, we'll be going to an event at the Ripley's Aquarium, an event celebrating the Black family for the Black History Month. This is expected to be an amazing event. It's involved like face painting, free face painting, pictures, and just like a big event that is put on to celebrate the Black family. I believe that, Black History Month, I would say 90% of the focus of Black History Month has always been focusing on the past and focusing on some of the stories and the struggles that we have been through. But I believe with the state of the Black family today, we really need events in Black History Month to focus on the building of the Black family. We need to focus on going forward as a people. So events like these are well needed in our community. So I'm really excited to go with the family, to go and to see, kids interacting with other kids and to see Black parents interacting with their kids. So, come along with us, and I believe it's going to be an amazing day. Let's do it. Okay, Mariah, are you excited to be here?
Yes.
What are you looking forward to see the most?
I'm looking forward to see the fish and jellyfish.
You don't want to see the shark?
I want to see the shark.
Okay, yeah, I'm excited too. Okay, Jaden, what are you looking forward to see the most?
I'm looking forward to see the sharks.
The sharks?
Yeah.
You want to see the jellyfish also?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. We're going to see them.
Look at the starfish.
Right, look at that fish. He looks upset. Come on, man. Why are you upset? Smile.
Frozen. It's frozen.
Smile. Check this out, Patrick. The starfish. Man, this fish looks very upset.
There's like an eye down there.
They're not moving though. See it? Did you see
Yeah.
Wow. Look at that.
There's a fish right there.
It almost looks like a plant, huh? The starfish.
Yeah.
It looks like a sponge. Look at the texture. It looks like almost like a toy, like a stuffy, right?
Yeah.
Wow, look at that. Whoa. Those are some massive fish, yeah? Oh, look at this one. Whoa. Wow. It looks like it's a catfish? It looks like a cat. Look.
The whiskers, yeah.
Yeah, look at whiskers and everything. Oh, look at this one. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Wow, look how beautiful this is. Oh my gosh. Like under the sea. Right, you know that song Under the Sea?
Yeah.
That's what it
Mermaid.
what's it called? Little
Mermaid.
Little Mermaid? Wow.
Wow. Looks like this song.
Feel like we're under the sea.
Look at that fish, it's so cute.
Wow, that is beautiful. Oh, look at this one.
It looks like a giant goldfish.
Yeah, it looks like a goldfish. Oh, that is deep down there. Look at that.
Yeah, I know it's deep.
Whoa, look at that.
And look at
Wow, so this is a cat shark. It's very small. It almost looks like a snake.
What is that? It's sparkling water, Mommy.
Levi, oh, you're right here. Right, I'm sure close this are. Kind
Wow.
of, but they have like more like feathery, yeah.
Sea pen. Rainbow reefs. Wow, this is beautiful. Wow. My gosh.
Dad, there's a bunch of toys.
Yeah, under the sea is like so beautiful. My God.
Oh, look how big that one is.
Wow. Can you imagine, Mariah, if you could go in the, under the sea like and see these things for yourself? Like just like go snorkel? You could go snorkeling or so and see these? Wow. This is like magical.
They're like this. Oh, look at these ones. They're like all silver. And then the black with the stripe one, black and white one. Like a zebra. You see it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh wow, look at these.
They're big.
They're like hanging out together. They're just. This is what you call like a school of fish.
Yeah, that's something, a school of fish. That's exactly what I was thinking.
Hey guys, so it's such a beautiful thing to see so many, black families coming together to enjoy, pretty much the end of Black History Month and just a family event like this. We don't see this often enough, so I'm excited that, we could be here with the family. So, yeah, happy Black History Month. Dangerous Lagoon. Let's go see the sharks.
It looks like we're out like it's daytime. Look, you see how they do that?
Yeah.
Like we're seeing the
Like
trees.
there's a sun up there.
Yeah.
But like this is fun.
You having fun?
Yeah.
What do you like so far?
I liked the part that we were just at where the fish were. But I also really like this part because you can see it up.
Yeah, this
And
is-
it's daytime. Well,
Yeah,
look
this
at
is
that
nice.
song.
Look at the sun though. Look at like the sun is like
Yeah. Is it real sun ray or just light from up?
Daddy, look.
Whoa! Look at this.
Look at all the fish.
Oh, this is so pretty.
This is amazing.
Yeah, this part is nice. It's actually nicer than I remember it.
Yeah.
This sheep. There's a nurse shark. Look how scary that is.
Look, there's a shark.
Whoa!
Oh my lord, look at all the teeth.
What is that? Oh, white shark or what kind of shark is it? Whoa! Look at that!
Maybe it's a sand tiger shark.
Oh, look at this.
I'm amazed.
They swim so elegant, huh? Wow.
I love sand. They're my favorite type of animal. I like that.
Here's one more coming.
Oh, there's two.
Whoa! Sharky!
That one.
Whoa! Look at this! Look at that! Look at that! Look at that! Oh! Whoa!
Oh, look at all of them here.
That's a lot of sharks. I wonder if they ever try to eat any of the other fish. It's a lot of sharks here. Wow.
Stingray, it's a stingray. Yeah, it's a stingray.
Whoa! Look at his face. Whoa! Wow. Wow, look at this. So beautiful. Look at the effects.
Oh yeah, all this nice.
Wow, that's huge. Where's Mario?
Miren aquí, miren aquí.
Family bro, mata. Mira dónde que están metidas.
Here you go, Jaden, your turn. Here you go, Jaden. How much is that? That looks expensive.
Enjoy my
Yeah. Mario can try. Mario can try. Just in case you change your mind. Thank you. Okay, so that was really a fun event. It's good to see, you know, the Black family coming together to do such a wonderful event. You know, spending the day at the aquarium with family. You know, I've never seen like so many, like, you know, Black families in one place. So that was really amazing to see the kids. You know, kids enjoying themselves. You know, awesome. So there was a recent study conducted in the US, and it was a family research, and based on the numbers that came in from that study, the Black family was at the bottom of the list in every single category. You know, in terms of education, at the bottom of the list, the highest divorce rate, and it is just sad to see, you know, the state of the Black family. And, you know, while we can say a lot of issues in the community are linked to systemic, you know, systemic racism or just a system that's set up for us to fail, I believe that there are things in the Black community that we have full control of in terms of our relationships, in terms of how Black men are treating Black women, in terms of how Black women are treating Black men. And I believe those issues are not systemic. You know, like for a man to get a woman pregnant and just leave her with a child by herself to raise, you know, a young Black boy or a girl without a dad, that is not systemic. That is us. So there are a lot of things that we can deal with. And I believe that Black History Month, we need to take a part of Black History Month and to focus on the Black family. Because in that same study, what was interested in that study is that, like, individually, like, Black women were some of the highest earners in America. Black men were in the middle of the pack in terms of earning. But when it came down to the Black family, we're at the bottom. Because when you look at the other family units like the Indian families, the Filipino families, yes, they may be earning less individually, but what that study showed is that they came together as a family unit and put resources together. So just imagine like black women, like almost at the top in terms of earning, black men right in the middle, almost at the top in terms of earning, putting our resources together and finding ways to keep our family together, how much powerful we will be as a unit. So these are just some of the things I believe that we should consider when we celebrate Black History Month. It's okay to look at the past, but as a people, we need to look at the future and to see where we're going, because we need a brighter future because the future is looking very dull right now for us, Black family. So that's something to think about. So I know that there are people out there watching this video and they're saying that there's no way that we can keep our family together for whatever reason. But all I'm saying is that as a people, we have to be mature. We have to exercise maturity. Not because you're separated, that mean the family has to be like just destroyed. Let me give you an example. Like I have a friend that her husband, she's married, and her husband have a child from a previous relationship. And, co-parenting is very important. And one of the things that she said to me is that on Mother's Day, she respect that his ex is the mother of his eldest child, and that relationship is important. And because of her maturity, she's able to say, we can have Mother's Day as a family. Your ex can come because she has a child, and we can go out to Mother's Day brunch, and her son will be able to celebrate his mom, and that takes a level of maturity. And not because relationship, like you're separated from the person, doesn't mean that you have to destroy like the child and destroy everything. There are numerous cases out there where people are separated, but because of maturity, because they're at a certain level, like exercise emotional intelligence, that they can co-parent without like being at each other and helping that child to grow. So this is just one example of ways that we can, just be mature enough as a community to help our community to grow. And if you can think of any other situation, if you have a story, you can just leave it in the comment section. But please let me know what you think about this video, because as I said, like, we're at the bottom of the list, like in the countries that we are that are very mixed, like in Canada, in England, in America. And I understand because, like all of us can attest to facing some type of systemic barriers. But all I'm saying is that the ones that we have full control of, we need to make sure that we are doing our best. We need to make sure that men, you're taking care of your women. You're not just using them and breaking them and just sending them out there with your son and your daughter to rear. And women, same thing. Like, we have to respect each other if we're going to survive as a community. And though we might be strong individually, like, how long are we going to last as individuals if other communities are just building their family units? So it's something to think about. And as I said, leave your comment in the comment section. Please feel free to subscribe and keep following us for more content like this. And thank you for watching, and peace. I'm out.